How to repair or renovate my 𝗁+2C treated surface. After a while, the surface can show some indications of wear and tear. Good examples are a visible walking zone on your floor, a surface that is becoming more stain sensitive, or a surface that remains wet for a longer time after cleaning. Well, if that's the case, but other than that the surface still looks quite okay, you can either use the universal maintenance oil to mix or the 𝗍𝗓 to refresh your wooden surface. The 𝗍𝗓 is a good product for a quick refresh for your wooden furniture, and the universal maintenance oil to mix is an oil that should be applied the same manner as the 𝗁+2C and can be used on any type of wooden surface. Prior to the refresh, you should clean the surface with some all-natural wood cleaner. If the wooden surface is too damaged, then it's better to use the original product, the 𝗁+2C and its original color. Prior to the oiling, you should clean the surface with some intense deep cleaner. If there are some damages, you can also first polish the wooden surface with a purple GS320 pad and then apply the 𝗁+2C.